Hey kids, are you bored at home? Then get ready, it's time to get creative with the Balloon Animal Workshop! Get yourself some modelling balloons and also a really good balloon pump. You can find these at toy shops or party stores. Let's get started! For our dog balloon, you'll need to blow up one balloon and tie it off. Take a good look at your blown up balloon. We always start twisting at the end with the knot. Here we go. Let's get started on the head of our balloon dog. Bend it, squeeze it, and twist it like a tap. Check out the head of our balloon dog. It's now time to twist the legs. Bend it, squeeze the balloon, and twist it like a tap. Let's do it one more time and make our back legs for our balloon dog. Bend it and twist it like a tab. Check out our balloon dog. Hey kids, check this out. It's time to make a sausage dog. If you can master the balloon dog, then you'll easily be able to master the balloon sword. Check this out. Bend it and twist it and pull the long piece through the big hole. That's incredible! A balloon sword.